What's up, guys? Craving perfectly steamed hot dogs without the long wait? Today on Tech Product, we're diving into the best hot dog steamer machine that can cook a full batch in minutes and keep everything warm and ready to serve. If you love quick meals and easy hosting, this hot dog steamer machine might be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let's get started. Let's check out the Starfrit hot dog steamer machine. Starfrit designed this machine to make meal prep simple, fast, and actually enjoyable. It can cook up to 12 hot dogs and warm the buns in just 12 minutes. That means you can feed the whole family or a group of friends without standing over the stove. Everything comes out hot, soft, and ready to serve at the same time. One of the first things you will notice is how easy it is to use. The Starfrit hot dog steamer machine features integrated water fill spouts that make adding water quick and mess-free. You do not have to guess or struggle with awkward pouring. Just fill it up, set your time, and let the steam do the work. It keeps the process smooth and stress-free. The sliding door tray is another smart touch. While your hot dogs are cooking, you can easily slide the door open to check on them or grab what you need. It keeps everything within reach and makes serving simple. You are not digging around or lifting heavy lids. It feels practical and well thought out. Storage is also easy thanks to the nestable design. When you are done cooking, the parts fit together neatly, so the unit takes up less space in your kitchen. That is a big plus if you do not have a lot of counter or cabinet room. It stays compact and organized instead of becoming another bulky appliance. If you like to take your cooking outside, Starfrit made that possible too. The locking clips secure the unit for safe transport. Whether you are heading to a picnic, a tailgate, or a backyard gathering, you can move it without worrying about parts shifting around. It feels sturdy and ready to travel. Powering the Starfrit hot dog steamer machine is an 800-watt heating system. That strong cooking capacity helps it heat up quickly and maintain steady steam for even results. You also get a 60-minute adjustable timer, which gives you more control. You are not limited to hot dogs. You can steam sausages, vegetables, and other foods with ease. Just set the timer based on what you are cooking and let the machine handle the rest. What makes this appliance stand out is how it combines speed and versatility in one compact design. It saves time, reduces mess, and makes serving food simple. Whether it is a quick dinner at home or snacks for a small party, the Starfrit hot dog steamer machine keeps things easy and efficient. Small appliance, big convenience. If you want fast, tasty results without extra effort, this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.